Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online maths class. Before going to the session, be ready with notebook, pen, pencil and eraser. Before this class, we learnt about length conversions, additions, subtraction, multiplication and division related to length. Today, we are going to learn about life-oriented problems. Question number 1. Saravanan had chosen to drive his vehicle from Puducherry to Chennai for a distance of 165 kilometers. While starting his vehicle, his odometer showed 000157. What will be the reading of the odometer when he reaches Chennai? My dears, what is given in the question? A person is travelling one place to another, and also the distance from Chennai to Puducherry is given that 165 km. When he started to travelling, he used his vehicle which show the odometer there are some kilometers. Now we want to find what is the reading of the odometer when he reaches Chennai. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to do the addition. Let's do the solution now. First we should write distance from Puducherry to Chennai is equal to 165 km. On the next line we should write odometer showed is equal to 000157 km. On the next line we should write reading of the odometer after reached Chennai, which is equal to 165 km plus 000157 km. While we are adding this, we will get 000322 kilometers. Therefore, the reading of the odometer after reaching Chennai is 000322 kilometers. Children, move on to the second question. Karthik Raja decided to travel from A. He moves 1 kilometer east to reach B. Then he goes 2 kilometer towards north and reaches C. Then he goes 1 kilometer towards west and reaches D. If he goes 2 kilometer towards south, where would he reach? Draw a diagram and justify it. Also find out the total distance he travelled. My dears, here a person is travelling from A. He moves to some other places also. So let's draw a diagram. We will get a clear picture of that. Then we will do the sum. Let's start. So a person is travelling from A to B. So A to B will draw a line. How much kilometer he walks? 1 kilometer. So he reaches B. Now from B he is towards north, he is moving. So towards north means in our upper side. So we are moving like that. It will reaches C. He walks 2 kilometer. Then from C he moves towards west, that is on the left side. If you draw that line, we will reach D. How much kilometer he walks from C to D? Yes, he walks 1 kilometer. Now where he is moving? He is moving from D to southwards. We will reach where, my dears? Yes, we will reach A. How much kilometer he walks from D to A? 2 kilometers. So now we will get the clear picture of the sum. So the first question is, where could he reach? He reached A. He reached A. Now we are going to find the total distance he travelled. That is equal to from A to B 1 kilometer plus from B to C 2 kilometer. So 1 kilometer plus 2 kilometer. From C to D he walks 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer plus 2 kilometer plus 1 kilometer. Also he is moved to from D to A he walks 2 kilometer. So that also you should add. So plus 2 kilometer. So total distance he travelled is equal to 1 kilometer plus 2 kilometer plus 1 kilometer plus 2 kilometer, which is equal to 6 kilometers. Yes, my dears, did you understand the sum? Let's move on to the next sum. That is fourth question. A student needs 1 meter 25 centimeter cloth to stitch a shirt. What is the total length of the cloth needed to stitch 22 shirts? From the given question, we can understand that we are going to stitch a shirt for 22 students. Then the cloth need for one student is 1 meter 25 centimeter. Let's move on to the solution part. The first line we should write the cloth is needed for one student is equal to 1 meter 25 centimeter. Then on the next line we should write the total cloth is needed for 22 students is equal to 1 meter 25 centimeter multiplied by 22. If one amount of thing is given, we want to find the more amount, we need to do the multiplication. We need to do the multiplication. So here also we are going to do the multiplication. That is 1 meter 25 centimeter multiplied by 22. Children, here the two ways of units are given. Convert them into one unit, that is smaller unit. Here which is a smaller unit? Yes, centimeter is a smaller unit. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Then we have to add the 25 also. We will get 125 centimeter. Now we will do the multiplication. 125 multiplied by 22. Let's start with the first one digit number 2 with 125. So 5 2s are 10, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 1 2 is 2. So 125 multiplied by 2 is equal to 250. The same way, the next line also we are going to multiply 125 with 2. But first we should leave the one digit as 0. Now we are adding, we will get 2750 centimeters. So children, now we are going to convert that 2750 centimeter as meter and centimeter. If you are converting like that, we have to do the division. That is 2750 divided by 1000. That is equal to 2 meter 750 centimeter. We will get 2 meter 750 centimeter. Therefore, the total length of 22 shirts is 2 meter 750 centimeter. My dears, did you all understand the life-oriented problems? Yes. Let's move on to the next home fun. Today's homework is question number 3 and 5 in this same life-oriented problem. Today's session is completed. Thank you.